sweet popcorn. Okay, so the ingredients you'll need is some butter. We have Land O'Lakes, measuring spoons, a bowl, popcorn, and
brown sugar.
So, yeah.
You're supposed
So you put the popcorn in the microwave. So like 1 to 2 minutes.
Could you give me a pan, like a big top pan, so we can put it? No, not that. Like a big bowl.
What's it called? Oh, it's ready. Yes. Okay. So after it's ready, we can just pour it into a bowl. We have this pink bowl over here. It's very hard to open.
It's extremely hot.
Oh, good idea. I'm just so scared of getting burned.
We can just use this for the bottom. You're right. Okay.
Put some more.
Okay, that's a lot. Okay. So cold. So good. No, you're not eating it. So next,
We need to heat the stove.
you add.
I put the pot on the stove. Now you just have to put 5 tablespoons of water. It will make that sound. 3, 4, and 5. Okay.
I'm gonna put brown sugar until this line right here. So we put around 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then you're gonna pour it into the water. And now you wait until the sugar dissolves for 30 seconds.
So it should turn into liquid and dissolve like that.
Add a half a teaspoon of butter. And wait till the butter dissolves.
So I stirred it and all of it has melted. Now I turned the gas back on and I turned it on to 5 because you need it to get all sticky mixture.
You have to stir it until it's like a syrupy consistency. It's okay if it bubbles up because that means it's going to be syrupy. It should take 7 to 8 minutes for it to turn into a syrup.
We just have to put the popcorn. It's cooled for 1 to 2 minutes. And she's just gonna drop the popcorn in. I'm just gonna mix it up.
Make sure to stir so it gets on to all the
Delicious caramel syrup. It might be sticky, but it's really good. This is how it looks as a close-up. It's really good. Sonia really wants to eat it. It looks so good. Oh, the caramel is just after the bottom.
I'm gonna pour the popcorn onto a plate so it doesn't get smushed and become one big piece of popcorn.